Somalia needs to get busy, preparing communities for rain and flooding. Kenya has been experiencing extreme precipitation, which has led to dangerous conditions in both the capital and outlying areas. The death toll was nearing 200 by Thursday morning. Hundreds of thousands of Kenyans have been displaced. There has been much criticism of the government here for their slow response. While Red Cross workers can be seen everywhere, few people have received any help from civil servants. In Beledweyne, there are reports of hundreds of families fleeing their homes after 5 days of heavy rain. No one has died from the flooding there. Rescue teams are on the scene trying to help out local residents. But action is needed to prevent the kind of devastation seen in Kenya. Somalia's National Disaster Management Agency has been erecting flood barriers in the Dolo district of Gedo in Jubaland. The Juba River has overflowed in recent years, causing widespread damage to local communities. Somalia needs to learn lessons from past flooding and prepare before the situation gets out of control. Barriers need to be put in place to keep rivers from overflowing. High ground needs to be identified and equipped with emergency supplies so that residents can be evacuated when their homes are submerged. Clean water supplies need to be established for when emergencies strike. Over in Ethiopia, Somalis are experiencing flooding as well. It is obvious that the whole region is in peril. The Somali government must not make the same mistakes as the one in Kenya. It must take swift action to prevent flooding where possible, prepare areas for evacuees, and provide basic needs for its citizens who run into trouble. ADN TV will continue to report on natural disasters across Africa.